Hey guys, it's me again, Mr. Bách. Welcome to another episode of The Quick Show with me. Today we're going to talk about sore throat. I am an English teacher, a trainer. That means I have to speak a lot, like double what people have to say every day. That's why keeping my throat healthy is now my number one priority. Now, if you are a trainer, a teacher, or someone who has to speak a lot, like your mom when she's angry, or your dad when he's asking whether you're gonna get married, well, it's about time you take care of your vocal cord. Well, I have just the thing for you. Now, let's head out to my garden because that's where the secret is. You see guys, my mom is a pharmacist, so she's really big on plants, and we have a kind of beautiful garden, would you agree? Now, we have a lot of plants like orchids, roses, palm trees, tons of stuff. But the secret to keeping your throat healthy is right over here. Right here. These are mint plants, everyone. So mints are really wonderful. They smell great. They go through everything. They're really easy to grow. You just need to, pick a sprig and you plant it on the ground and water them like daily. They grow like amazing. Look at all of them. So what we're going to do, we are going to pick a few leaves of mint. Now I'm going to show you how to make a drink to keep your throat healthy. What we're going to need is a cup, some honey, lime, hot water, and of course our beautiful mint leaves. Now what we're going to do is very simple. First we need to clap the mint, okay, to release the aroma. And put them into the cup, add honey, then add lime, pour in some hot water, stir. In this drink, the essence of mint, honey, lime help you relieve throat pain. Let's give it a shot. Oh god, that's more lime than I expected. Alright everyone, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and you can leave the comment below and tell me what you want me to talk about. I'll try to make a video out of it. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, that's it. Goodbye and stay healthy. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about my latest video.